welcome to Tiny Treasures. We are here with Abby Cadabby, and Abby is a fairy, and that's the word we're going to learn today. But we have a secret surprise. Abby's going to wave her magical wand, and you at home can use your finger as the magical wand. Let's count down. 3, 2, 1. It worked! Oh, look, it's a beautiful heart-shaped box with little shiny pink rhinestones all over. Abby, do you want to see what's inside? It's a little miniature fairy, and she looks like she's holding something. Can you see that? It's very tiny, a little rhinestone. What letter does the word fairy start with? It makes a sound fairy. F-A-I-R-Y. Abby knows another word that starts with the letter F. Friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. And here comes Abby's friends now. Hi, Ernie, Elmo, and Snuffleupagus. Abby is so lucky to have such good friends. Being a good friend means being kind, honest, and a good listener. It's time to say goodbye. Bye.